What does the phrase, "Could we see the menu, please," mean? Options are: A. Asking for the bill. B. Asking to leave. C. Asking to look at food options. D. Asking for water. The correct answer is asking to look at food options. What is the meaning of, "I'd like my steak well done"? Options are: A. Cooked very lightly. B. Cooked completely. C. Served cold. D. Mixed with vegetables. The correct answer is cooked completely. What does "refill" mean in a restaurant context? Options are: A. To cancel an order. B. To fill again. C. To change the table. D. To pay the bill. The correct answer is to fill again. What does the phrase, "Could you recommend something," mean? Options are: A. Asking for a discount. B. Asking for advice on what to order. C. Asking for fast service. D. Asking for the bill. The correct answer is asking for advice on what to order. What is meant by, "The food is too salty"? Options are: A. The food has too much sugar. B. The food has too much spice. C. The food has too much salt. D. The food is very hot. The correct answer is the food has too much salt. What does "separate bills" mean? Options are: A. One person pays for all. B. Each person pays for their own food. C. The bill is cancelled. D. The bill is delayed. The correct answer is each person pays for their own food. What does "Is service included" refer to? Options are: A. If food is free. B. If tax is removed. C. If a service charge is already added. D. If the restaurant is open. The correct answer is if a service charge is already added. What is the meaning of, "I'm allergic to nuts"? Options are: A. The person dislikes nuts. B. The person cannot eat nuts safely. C. The person wants extra nuts. D. The person is cooking nuts. The correct answer is the person cannot eat nuts safely. What does "Could we have some extra cutlery" mean? Options are: A. Asking for more food. B. Asking for more plates. C. Asking for more eating tools. D. Asking for napkins only. The correct answer is asking for more eating tools. What does the phrase, "The table is reserved" mean? Options are: A. The table is broken. B. The table is free. C. The table is already booked. D. The table is dirty. The correct answer is the table is already booked.